Hello everyone, behind me is the 8500-ton ultra-large high-precision injection molding machine, a key product that YIZUMI built with great effort in recent years. So far, the machine is the largest ever to be installed in China in terms of clamping force. The machine incorporates cutting-edge technologies in the industry, including injection compression molding technology, SmartClamp technology, internal circulation two-platen clamping unit, and closed-loop pump technology, special for optical products. Besides, the control system integrates smart control technology, information technology, and internet technology independently developed by YIZUMI. And the machine has the features of high precision, high speed, and intelligence. Energy saving attained 30% compared with traditional three-platen machine. It's a new record of ultra-large precision injection molding machine in China. Compared with counterparts at home and abroad, the most important innovation of this machine consists in its maximum clamping force up to 8500 tons, more opening and closing repeatability up to 0.3 mm, and the two injection units with a maximum shot weight of 80 kg, breaking the record of ultra-large injection molding machine in China. It can be using one-step molding of large-size transparent plastic parts, or with metal inserts with high requirement in part shape, light transmittance, and accuracy, solving the molding difficulties of large-size transparent plastic part in China. With the rapid development of the aerospace and automobile industry, the demand for large-size plastic products is growing. The 8500-ton ultra-large two-platen injection molding machine is specially designed for large-size products, especially suitable for the fields of aerospace, automobile industry, petrochemical pipeline, transportation facility factory. Also, our problem-solving team has tackled a series of challenges in processing, transportation, and assembly for ultra-large equipment, providing customers with more cost-effective integrated solutions for the manufacturing of large-size plastic parts.